Being petty ain't pretty. It's ugly. And God don't like ugly. Facts. Let's not fight over little stuff. It says in Proverbs 19:11, ESV. Now don't fight me over that. I'm reading the ESV. I know that most love the KJV. Let's not be petty, because petty ain't pretty. Good sense makes one slow to anger, and it is his glory to overlook an offense. Facts. Just because we disagree who the greatest rapper of all time is, let's not beef. Ha, see what I did there? Just because one says tomato and the other says tomato, let's not fight over that. It's shalom. Nah, it's shalom. Nah, it's shalom. Family, let's not fight over little stuff. Semantics. Let's not squabble over semantics. Instead, let's focus on things that matter and unfocus on things that don't matter. And not if we disagree, but when we disagree, let's agree to disagree. That's right, fam. In the words of T.I., aka Tip, big things popping, little stuff stopping. Petty ain't pretty. It's ugly.